In this video, we're going to take a very quick look at how to add a Microsoft list to a Microsoft team. So I'm in my channel. I can only add lists to teams and channels at the moment. So I'm going to, in my budgets channel, I'm going to click on the plus to add a new tab, and I'm going to select lists as it comes up. So when I click on lists, I'm just going to click on save down the bottom just to save lists to my tab, and then once that's been saved, I can then decide what I want to do. And it's the bottom option that I'm interested in, so I want to add an existing list. And you can see I've got a SharePoint link there, so I can link a list from any SharePoint site, or I can select a list from the options below. So I just wanted to very quickly explain these two. The 2020 budget I created in this channel and then deleted it. So I created it as part of this team within Microsoft Teams, and that's why it's there and it's available for me. This test list I created within the browser version of Microsoft Lists, but I linked it to the DS Development Services SharePoint, and that's why it's there and available for me to select as part of this team. If I've created them and save them in my list, then it wouldn't be available for me to access and link to this team. So I'm just going to select test, and then that's going to pop up. There isn't anything in this list at the moment, but I've now linked it together so I can start myself, and any colleagues who have access to this team can start working in that list.